Hello everyone, my name is Bhumit Sagatia from College Dunya. Today I am at LJ Institute of Pharmacy College, Ahmedabad. Today we are having with Dr. Dilip Maheswari sir. He is a professor and HOD in Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunya.
Hello.
So start with the interview sir. My first question is, being the HOD of LJ Institute of Pharmacy, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
So, as per my opinion, any leader having a strength to work out with a combined team, it is once your team is good and it works very hard. So automatically, your institute or as a leader, you get all the full fledged of your work.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, how does the curriculum of LJ Institute of Pharmacy ensure the best practice of industry?
So in LJ Institute of Pharmacy, we are focusing to reduce the gap between the bridge between the industry and academia. So when a student is passed from the LJ Institute of Pharmacy, so they can ready to available for the industry.
Very well said, sir. So my next question is, what do you think your roles and responsibility to the institute and the students are?
So as per my opinion, the student should have a all holistic growth. It is not necessary to only 24/7 you focus on the study. You have also be focus on your ability. You have also grow your what focus on your hobbies which you have and you work on that, and so you get the holistic growth which is required in your future.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, what do you think should be the institute top priority over the next 10 years?
So as an institute, we are day by day modify our curriculum. We are also be focused on the other activities like co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities. So students are growing holistically, and also we are focused on the 80% of on the academia. So the recent trends which are available in the market and research and technology are upcoming, which are also be included in our curriculum. So the student can pass with the all the updated curriculum.
Very well said, sir. So my next question is, what do you see as LJ Institute greatest strength?
Our greatest strength is the first thing is the discipline, and apart from discipline, we are also be focused on the different culture activity. So the student is getting the all type of environment which is required for their future.
So jumping to the last question, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Current youth have a focus. First priority is focus on their what is their bachelor or masters, as well as the as I told earlier, the holistic growth is required nowadays. The multitasking ability as youth having nowadays, because you know that in this current situation, the corona, the total environment and work practice like work from home and the different technology, you have to adapt to their times. So when you focus on the particular one segment, it is not possible. So you have to learn all the things as per the time and current situations. So thank you very much. All the best.
Very nicely explained, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for giving such informative information about your institute. Thank you so much, sir, being a part of College Dunya. Thank you, sir.